Hello everyone! Today we are making a laksa. Alam niyo bang laksa? Para siyang curry soup na very popular in Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. And we are making one that is quite simple. Now, to make a real laksa is very complicated kasi you have to make your sambal, which is like a chili paste. But now we are trying to simplify it.
Simpol, luto na, ha-ha.
Instead of making the sambal from scratch, shortcut to, gagamit ako ng red curry paste. No? You can buy this in the grocery or mga Asian stores. Yung lemongrass ko, ang problema sa lemongrass, if I chop it and put it into my laksa, di ba very fibrous siya. So, hindi siya very pleasant. So, what I will do here, I will just pound the white part kasi yung flavor niya, nandito naman siya sa bulb niya. Tie it into a knot. Ganyan. Okay? Yan. Put my onions. Put my garlic. And I will grate ginger. Yan. I will also add my curry paste, red curry paste. Yan, around 1 or 2 tablespoons. First saute to bring out all the flavors, no? Yan. I will add my shrimp heads here. Yan. So yung shrimp will flavor the stock. Ito naman talaga, kahit ano pang ilagay mo na topping, basta masarap yung sabaw, sulit na sulit na. Just the noodles and the broth is good enough. And ito, to clean our shrimp, no? Just scoop out the vein, no? Use a fork. Yan, tanggal na yung kanyang itim-itim. So I have my water, so I just rinse, I just put my finger into the bowl of water. So, importante dito ang stock. 2 elements to make a really good laksa is the soup base. Yan. So, I'll be using 2 kinds of noodles. So, I'll be using egg noodles. And today, I'm using Good Life egg noodles. Yan. And the nice thing about it, kasi yung noodle na to is, it is steamed. It is not fried. So, hindi siya ganun ka-greasy, no? Very nice flavor also. And very nice bite. And first, what I will do is I will cook my egg noodles, let it soften. And this one, kasi egg noodles siya, it's made with real eggs. I think that's the most important thing, di ba? We will cook that for around 4 minutes. Pero, into the 3rd minute, I will add my second noodle, which is Good Life Vermicelli Sotanghon. And this one is also made with premium potato starch. Ang maganda dito ay sarap siya and firm to the bite. That's very important. Yan, so my egg noodles are already part cooked, partially cooked. I will add my sotanghon noodles. Look at that, no? Kaya may salt yung aking water para meron na siyang flavor ng konti, no? While my noodles are cooking, I will add my chicken stock, no? So you use chicken stock for this. You'll add it here. Around 5 cups of chicken stock and let that simmer, no? And my noodles are done. Very nice. And aking shrimp, I will also poach it, no? So, put it in the hot water. Wait for it to turn orange. Yan. Look at that. I have my noodles. Yan. So, look at that, no? Ang ganda ng noodles niya. Hindi siya soggy. Yan. Put it there. Yan. Yan, no? Our noodles are ready. And ito yung aking shrimp. Look at that. Malalaman mo talaga yung shrimp mo kung cooked or overcooked. Pag, ganito, I'll show you ha. Pag letter C pa yung shrimp mo, ibig sabihin, cook siya. Pag medyo sobra ng curl niya, naging O na siya, ibig sabihin, overcooked. Oh, dali lang na. Dali mo lang malaman, no? And I will peel my shrimp. Yan. Then, meron ako ditong fish tofu. Hindi siya ordinary tofu. Fish tofu na I already fried. Yan siya. Meron akong toge. Usually, may toge naman talaga yan. Meron tayo ditong egg. Oh. Yan, complete na complete. And gagamit tayo ng wansoy. Wansoy and cilantro, no? Gagawin natin dito ay i-chop-chop natin yung ating stalk as well as the roots, if you have the roots. Kasi yung flavor niya nasa roots eh. Ang bango-bango. Yan, no? Ito naman siya, garnish ito. If you don't want to put, don't put. I'm not going to peel the whole thing. I'm just going to like make stripes, kunwari. Be sure to wash your cucumbers really well. Yan. Look at that, no? Just cut it to half. I will julienne my white onion. So ready, no? I will taste and determine how much saltiness is needed pa. Oh, wow. That's good enough, around 1 tablespoon. I will just use fresh milk or evap. Pero when you use evap, you have to make sure yung hindi yung matamis kasi some evaps are for desserts. Yan, look at that. Ganda ng kulay. Now, if you want it a little bit more yellow, just add a little bit of turmeric, which I will do. I have turmeric here. Just for color na lang to, ha. Ang sarap niya. Wait! Ito yung gagawin mo. So, for example, dito, 3 ilalagay ko. I'm going to eat it with 3 shrimps. I have my fish tofu. Yan. And what I will do, I will blanch it here. Just to warm it up, no? And I will arrange with shrimp. Diba? Fish tofu dyan. Okay. Pipino, white onion, and may egg tayo. We will add our sabaw, our very nice laksa, and we will use our strainer. Ito, lalapit ko siya, ha? Yan. If you want to cook this laksa or other type of noodle dish using quality noodles from Good Life, may 100 pesos off if you buy from FLYAS Corporation official store on Shopee and Lazada. O, di ba? Sulit na yun, no? Dagdag siya sa inyong savings and just click on the description box for the voucher. Di ba may pa-voucher tayo dito? And I'm about to taste. Kaya naman pala natin ma-achieve ang restaurant quality laksa at home, kaya try this recipe. Seafood laksa, simple!